Hello friends, this is Manoj Kalla, and today in our session, this is the third session in our contact management project in Visual Foxpro. Now we go ahead with this our screen designing. This screen design we had completed on our second, I think so, in our second session in second series of video. Now today we will be create a table as per this structure, as per the designing. Okay, so afterwards we'll go ahead with coding of a form designing. Now how you decide, suppose the full name is it, sure you will write in alphanumeric or a majority in alphabetical keys, alpha keys you will be type here. Mobile number that can be 100% numerical. Okay, so it's a numeric. Email ID, it is a character field. Birthday is a date kind of, only the date, not the time. We are not concerned with the time of birth time, so only the date. Okay, so here it will be a address line 1. Will we discuss all this and how you will be decide. See this, the table creation from the screen designing and decide the data type. So just be with me and you will learn how to decide a data type. See this, basically in Visual Foxpro you can see here, suppose if I say create is a command to create a database table like DBF. Okay, so create, I had contact. Okay, so in contact you can see here, suppose I say full name. In one thing you should be know, the in the DBF, in the field name, you whether your caps lock is on or off, that field name always comes in a small letters. You can see here for Visual Foxpro 9 supporting the how many types of data type. Okay, so majorly we are all working with the character numerical. See this here, I will character, we are working majorly in a character, numeric, logical and date. Okay, and memo. In Foxpro majorly we are working with this majorly in this data type. So character. Okay, and here I will give the 50. Okay, now switch to this mobile number, and mobile number I will select numeric. Okay, 10. Okay, and email ID is will be 50, and birth date is the date. Okay, you have to press the D, then date will be appear there. Okay, and address 150, address 2. Why I am doing this? Because I want to print a label. So 50 character line it should be get printed. I can be adjust in a 250 character also in a address, single field address only, but that major it's a good thing you have to use at this way. Otherwise you can be use this, you can use this way also, address and 250. Okay, or 150 character. It's depend upon how you, then we have to cut after a 50 characters automatically. Okay, so address line 3, and here is the city. Okay, and country 20, and zip code is our pin code. In India we call a pin code, so pin code will be a numeric again, the 6 digit. Okay, and is married, and it will be a logical. Okay, so and if I want to create an index on this full name, mark here the index on ascending order. Okay, so in ascending order. Now I think so you understand. Till now you had learned how the majorly the data type we have, what we have to select. Okay, you understood. Second, how to create a index, while creating a table. Okay, so if you want a index on full name, create it. If you want a index on email ID, you can be select. If you want a index on city, you can create. So this will be create a compound index. Okay, this will be create a compound index. I will show you later on. Okay, so I just okay. Now see this, if I as already is there, set order to, you can see city, email ID, full name. Okay, so this is a CDA, and you can see here display status. In status you can see index on city. Okay, is the city is key, email ID, full name and full name. I think so the table creation is done with the index key. Okay, in coming session you will be learn, and not the coming session, but now we have to feed. I will get ready with the some dummy data with this record. Okay, with this inside in this table. So this will be help you in the coming session. We'll do the see this, in coming session we will do top, bottom, next, previous and exit coding. Okay, so I don't want to be create a very lengthy length of video. I will be create a small size of window that will be help you to understand the conceptually. Okay, so in next video, in fourth series, you have to be you will be learn top, bottom, next, previous. Okay, and I will be get ready with my dummy data, and this is your homework. You have to be keep ready with dummy data. Okay, so my and any user who has seen directly this third number series of video, I request them go and start with the first session, first number of video, because this will be understand, you will be tune the this course in a smartly and very easily. Okay, and please share this video, and